For those of you that don't know me, I see a lot of new faces out there. My name's Todd. I'm one of the owners of All City Towing. And so if it's your first time attending this event, I think tonight's our 10th year of having this bowling event. And the reason we have this is for you guys. This is our way of saying thank you for what you do on a daily basis. We're in a very tough industry, and we're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so we don't get a lot of time to get together. But this is our way of saying thanks for the hard job that you guys do every day. We really appreciate it. We thank each and every one of you. And without moving forward, without saying how this deal goes together, Courtney, where's Courtney at? Where's Courtney? So I couldn't put this together by myself if I tried, because it's not my expertise. So we want to give a big hand to Courtney for all the hard work she's done. Thanks, Courtney. Without any more dialogue, let's get out there, let's bowl some high scores, have a good time, enjoy some drinks, have some good food, and thanks again for showing up. We appreciate your participation.